Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to do the assessment of writing. In our previous class, we have done the assessment of speaking, and in today's class, we are going to do the assessment of writing of your chapter 2, The Thunder Cake. See, writing a diary entry here. We are going to learn how to write a diary. Okay, just imagine, children, you are the little girl in the story. So you just imagine you are the little girl in the story of Thunder Cake. The storm has cleared and you are about to go to bed at night. The storm has cleared. The storm has gone and you are about to go to bed at night. Write how your grandmother helped you to get over your fear of thunder. So now you have to write how your grandmother helped you to get over your fear of thunder. Okay, how to overcome the fear of thunder. See here, you could begin in this way. Begin your diary in this way. Okay, they have given this sample. Dear diary, I am so happy today. Dear diary, I am so happy today. The day began with me being terribly scared as the weather was bad and a storm was approaching the farm. Soon lightning split the sky and then I heard the sound of thunder. See again. You begin the diary writing like this. I am so happy today. The day began with me being terribly scared as the weather was bad and a storm was approaching the farm. Soon lightning split the sky and then I heard the sound of thunder and I went under the bed and my grandma asked me to count so and so. All this you have to mention writing diary. Okay children, you have to do it in your homework books. You have to do it by your own as you are not there in the school. Okay, now see here, life skills activity. Life skills activity. This activity is a creative thinking. So thinking in a different way. Okay, ask an adult to tell you how to bake a cake or to cook something. So if you want to bake a cake or if you want to cook something, ask some adults to tell you how to bake a cake or how to cook something. Write the recipe in your notebook. You have to write the recipe that you are going to cook in your notebook. Okay, make a note of all the ingredients. So you have to write all the ingredients. You have to note down all the ingredients and how much of each ingredient you need. So you have to mention all the ingredients and how much you need each ingredient to cook the recipe you need. Now work in groups of 5. Each of you must discuss about the process you will follow for baking the dish. As a class, you could put together all your recipes and bind them together to form a recipe book. Keep the book in the library for everybody to read and use. So now you are not in the school, so without making groups, you have to do it by yourself. You have to select one particular dish. You have to select one particular dish and ask someone to tell you how to cook that dish, and you have to note all the ingredients and how much of each ingredient you need to prepare that something you want to cook. Okay, and after reopening of the schools, I will collect all the papers from you and put it in the library so that everybody can read and everybody can try your recipe even. Okay children, do this at your home. Bye children, thank you.